Okay, Jay, this is the trail we're going to take you on. This is Dean. Dean. Ride with no shame. How's that? Yeah. Yes, revved up like a deuce.